The next item is supposedly the most cute number of this dance recital, a solo by Kumari Ashwini Bhaskaran, Banti Piruchi in Behag Ragam Ekatalam and Annamacharya Kriti. పిన్న పాపలతో లాడి తుంటకీడు వచ్చే దోబూచి బండి పిరిచి పిన్న పాపలతో లాడి తుంటకీడు వచ్చే దోబూచి బండి పిరిచి పిన్న పాపలతో లాడి తుంటకీడు వచ్చే దోబూచి బండి పిరిచి పిన్న పాపలతో లాడి తుంటకీడు వచ్చే దోబూచి కంటి పిరిచి పిన్న పాపలతో లాడి తుంటకీడు వచ్చే దోబూచి కంటి పిరిచి పిన్న పాపలతో లాడి తుంటకీడు వచ్చే దోబూచి కంటి పిరిచి పిన్న పాపలతో తుంటకీడు వచ్చే దోబూచి కంటి పిరిచి పిన్న పాపలతో లాడి తుంటకీడు వచ్చే దోబూచి వంటి పిరిచి పిన్న పాపలతో లాడి తుంటకీడు వచ్చే దోబూచి పెరుగు వెన్నులు ప్రియమునవే మురుమృజ్జేలుంచి కాడు వెరవున్న ధన విధము దాజికొని పెరుగు వెన్నెలు ప్రియమునవి మురుమృజ్జేలుంచి మాయకాడు వెరవున్న ధన విధము దాజికొని పెరుగు వెన్నెలు ప్రియమునవి మురుమృజ్జేలుంచి మాయకాడు వెరవున్న ధన విధము దాజికొని పెరుగు ప్రియమునవే మురుమృజ్జేలుంచి మాయకాడు వెరవున్న ధన విధము దాజికొని పెరుగు వెన్నుల ప్రియమునవే మురుమృజ్జేలుంచి మాయకాడు వెరవున్న ధన విధము దాజికొని పెరుగు వెన్నుల ప్రియమునవే మురుమృజ్జేలుంచి కాడు వెరవున్న ధన విధము దాజికొని పెరుగు వెన్నుల ప్రియమునవే మురుమృజ్జేలుంచి మాయకాడు వెరవున్న ధన విధము దాజికొని పెరుగు వెన్నుల ప్రియమునవే మురుమృజ్జేలుంచి మాయకాడు వెరవున్న ధన విధము దాజికొని పెరుగు వెన్నుల ప్రియమునవే మురుమృజ్జేలుంచి మాయకాడు వెరవున్న ధన విధము దాజికొని పెరుగు వెన్నుల ప్రియమునవే మురుమృజ్జేలుంచి మాయకాడు వెరవున్న ధన విధము దాజికొని దొరదొంగ వచ్చే దోబూచి దొరదొంగ వచ్చే దోబూచి వంటి పిరిచి పిన్న పాపలతో లాడి తుంటకీడు వచ్చే దోబూచి బల్లల్లో ఇల్లు సుచ్చి కొల్లలాడిన కోడె కాదు కొల్లి బల్లల్లో ఇల్లు సుచ్చి కొల్లలాడిన కోడె కాదు గొల్లి బల్లల్లో ఇల్లు సుచ్చి గొల్లలాడిన కోడె వెంకటేశుడు పుల్లడి దొంగ వచ్చేదో బూచి ఎల్లైన వెంకటేశుడు గీదే పుల్లడి దొంగ వచ్చేదో బూచి వంటి పిరచి తిన్న పాపలతో లాడి దుంటగీడు వచ్చే దోబూచి బూచి దోబూచి దోబూచి. Thank you.
Going to take place. We would like to the guests to be on the dais to bless the children and speak few words. Cine actor Mr. M. Dharmarajan, Correspondent Secretary of SBA School, Mr. Binesh Mahadevan, Mrs. Rajeshwari Menon, Principal SBIO Matriculation, we are happy to invite Kalaimamani Srimati Parvati Ravi Kantasala, Dance Director, Kala Pradarshini, and Mr. Vinit, actor, and Mr. Binesh Mahadevan, a dancer himself and a dancer guru of Nidhi Rajan for Mogniyattam, and Mrs. Rajeshwari Menon, SBO Matriculation, you are familiar for her. Yeah, now, Srimati Parvati Ravi Kantasala is a performer, teacher, choreographer and organizer with all the best in the Bharatanatyam. Srimati Parvati Ravi Kantasala was initiated at a young age into the art of Bharatanatyam by the guru Kalaimamani Srimati Krishnakumari Narendran and had her Arangetram in 1978. She has the proud privilege of performing at various prestigious sabhas and festivals in the country and places in abroad. She is an A-grade artist in Doordarshan. Her institution Kala Pradarshini was established in 1998. The center organizes monthly programs in dance and music. Kalaimamani Srimati Parvati Ravi Kantasala have produced various dance ballads like Aruladal, Uchi Tilagam, Annamaya. Now I request the young artist to honor Srimati Kalaimamani Parvati Ravi Kantasala. I request Srimati Parvati Ravi Kantasala to speak few words on about the occasion.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Guru Srimati Latha Ravi, Shri Vineet, Shri Bhinesh, Srimati Rajeshwari Menon, and the young budding artists and Rasikas. It's so amazing to be here this evening. நான் இன்னைக்கு அரங்கேற்றத்துக்கு வந்த மாதிரி தெரியல. Very experienced, very beautifully, the children have performed. Please give them a big hand. I think this is not enough. The proud teacher, the credit goes to her. Give her also a very big hand. I think the children's grandparents were sitting and watching. They are so proud to watch their grandchildren. It's so difficult to train such young children, and the credit goes again to her, because I've been training little ones. In the moon pair, I think these children, Nidhi, Ashwini, Maithili, பேரை மாற்றிடணும் போல் இருந்தது எனக்கு. உட்கார்ந்த இடத்துல துர்கா, லக்ஷ்மி, பார்வதின்னு போட்டுடணும் போல் இருந்தது. ரொம்ப போட்டியோட, கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டோட, யார் உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கா, யார் பாடிட்டு இருக்கா, ஒன்றுமே அவங்களுக்கு கவலை இல்லை. அவங்க டீச்சர் என்ன கற்றுக் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ perfectly they have danced. And her teacher also is very intelligent. மூணு பேருக்கும் சரசமா clean and அதாவது எந்த இது இல்லாமல் she has given them the best. ஒரு போட்டி இல்லாமல் all three did so well, so wonderfully. அந்த ஜதிகள் அந்த அம்மா சொல்கிறச்ச எனக்கு அங்கே உட்காந்து டான்ஸ் ஆடணும் போல் ஆயிடுது. And that Natvangam, especially Dhananjayan had given a wonderful support. Mridangam Dhananjayan. And also violin, Shankar, and flute, again Shankar Narayanan. Even illama, we cannot dance on the stage. Excellent support from the orchestra side. This dance is very, very, very difficult, very expensive. இன்னைக்கு குழந்தைங்க ஆடிட்டாங்க, they have to always continue. The other day I just suggested Latha Ravi to mingle, to come this way. She's always on the Annanagar side. I told her, you must mingle this side, because Mylapore and this area, all her children should come and perform this side also. There's an Abhay. Abhay is an association of all our dancers. Bhinesh, myself, we are all the members of that. So all the children of Bharatanatyalaya, they should also become the members, so they'll all get to know each other. Dance is the central religious institution which has multi-dimensional roles, a symbol of cultural or fine arts. This art is referred as fifth Veda. All the children, all three children, they are very, very gifted. நல்ல லய சுத்தத்தோட, எஸ்பெஷலி பாவம், இந்த வயசில் பாவமே வராதுங்க. எவ்வளோ கற்றுக் கொடுத்தாலும் பாவம் வராது. பட் Latha Ravi has poured the abhinaya into all the three children, and those three items, Durge, Durge, Brochevara, Banti, it was very, very nice. I once again thank and pray the Almighty to bless these little children for the good health, education, as well as to continue this wonderful dance form. This dance form is you get the supreme knowledge. The children has to work more hard and put in more sincerity and learn more and more. The children shouldn't discontinue this wonderful art. I pray once again and thank the parents are very fortunate to have such wonderful children. Please continue this art. Thank you.
The famous Mustafa, Mr. Vinith, started training in Bharatanatyam at the age of 5. Initial training was under Guru Kala Mandalam Saraswati from Calicut. At present, undergoing advanced training in Bharatanatyam are under Guru Padma Vibhushan Dr. Padma Subramaniam. He has given a performances over abroad in Gulf and so many other countries. A cine artist by profession, has completed over 75 feature films, has worked in all the 4 South Indian languages, and has worked in an English film, Bokshu the Myth, is due to be released. I just call upon the children to honor him. I request Mr. Vinny to speak few words about the performance.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, art lovers, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, my sincere gratitude to Mr. Rajan for having given me this opportunity to come here and witness this divine performance, I must say. I mean, both the gurus have showered all their blessings on these young talents here. They were incredible. As you all know, we witnessed a divine performance. The guru who's trained them has put in full dedication to mold the kids into such beautiful dancers. As ma'am said, the abhinaya, to get kids to perform so beautifully and bring the facial expressions flawlessly, it's indeed a great task, and I think Guru Srimati Lata Ravi has achieved it, and she must be very happy today to see her wonderful students do such a fantastic job. A special mention about the Varnam and the Sanchari Bhavas. It was so well coordinated with the 3 young talents, and the synchronization was amazing. As I witnessed the program, I was confused whom to look at, because all the 3 were so wonderful and so expressive on stage. I want to congratulate their parents for having given them all this encouragement, because it's only with encouragement that your talent is spotted and then you grow with it. So my heartfelt congratulations to all the parents of the 3 kids, and Srimati Lata Ravi for having molded such beautiful dancers. I just want to tell them that you are going to have the blessings of the gurus that are present here, your parents and your guru, and you should pursue your dance career, because all the 3 of you have an amazing future, and I just pray to God to shower all His blessings on you. Once again, thank you to everybody, and wish you all the best, kids. Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Vinny. Now I request the children to honor Mr. Binesh Mahadevan. Mr. Banesha, please speak few words about the occasion.
Good evening, guest of honors, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really happy to be here today, this evening, to witness this performance. These kids were amazing. They were just, like bubbles on stage. Well-coordinated performance. And I should congratulate Lata Ravi for training them to this extent. I'd like to mention about the orchestra. Mr. Vidya Shankar, he's done a great job. Mridangist Mr. Dhananyan, I know him quite well because he's my regular Mridangist. So he was just excellent. And violin and flute and makeup artist, I should say definitely, because they just bring out all the bright features very well out to the stage, So I congratulate Mr. Murugan for a makeup, and the parents have given their full support to the children, and I'm very happy, and I bless and I pray Almighty to shower all His blessings on these three kids. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. I would like the children to honor Mrs. Rajeshwari Menon. I request ma'am to speak few words about the occasion and bless the children.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished guests on the dais, and of course, these three wonderful dancers. I came in a little late, and now I regret that so much because I seem to have missed quite a lot of the beautiful dancing that these children did. It's amazing that children in the 6th and 7th standard, they're just out of 5th and 6th standard, could emote so well, could express themselves so well, that every single word in the song was so beautifully portrayed on their faces. It's amazing because, as all the other dancers on stage said, probably I'm the only non-dancer on stage. As all of them said, it's very difficult for very young children to understand the meaning of the song and really portray that. But these children have done it so well. I think the credit goes totally to the guru, Mrs. Lata Ravi. Mrs. Lata Ravi has been associated with the SBOA schools for quite a long time. I think I've known her for around 15 years as a choreographer for many of the programs in school. Her dance school is very close to our school, and we see how this dance school has grown and how the number of children coming to the dance school has also grown. I wish her all the best, and I wish these young children a wonderful dancing future. My only request to the parents and these little children are never stop, because what we find in school is that by the time the child comes to the 8th or the 9th standard, maximum 10th standard, the parents say, okay, now enough is enough, get to your books, start studying for your public examination. I appeal to the parents not to stop these children, because dance is a form of discipline. It's a mental discipline which will help you in whatever you do, whether it is sports or academics, because it makes the mind sharp, it makes the eyes sharp, it makes every move of yours very sharp, which is directly related to your excellence in any other field. I congratulate the parents, because putting 3 children on for an Arangetram is a very difficult task. It is almost like conducting a marriage these days. So at a very young age, they have this experience, but let it not stop with the Arangetram. Let it continue for many, many, many years. till the girls are so old and so feeble that they cannot dance on stage anymore, probably at the age of 80 or 90 or even 100. I wish them all the best. I congratulate them and look forward to seeing a number of programs of theirs. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of appreciation. Now we would like to honor Srimati Lata Ravi, who is a guru for the children for the past 6 or 7 years and who had toiled the children. Mrs. Lata Ravi on stage, please. Now, we would like to honor the orchestra. Vocal and comparing by Sri Vidya Shankar. Mirdangam Sri Dhananjayam. Violin Sri V. Shankar. Flute Sri Shankar Narayanan. Makeup by Sri Murugan. Please give him a very big clap who made the angels. Sir, please. Video and stills by Mr. B. Nagarajan. Founder and Secretary, Mr. H.S. Venkatraman. Now I request the chief guest to hand over the certificates for the students. Nidhi Rajan. Kumari Maithili. Kumari Ashwini. Now, vote of thanks, Mr. by H.S. Venkatraman.
Dear audience, good evening. Actually, this performance is, as already said by Mr. Selvam, Mrs. Parvati, Ravi Gattasala, Mr. Vineeth, Dinesh Mahadevan, and Rajeshwari Menon. Actually, they have very much appreciated the students and the guru and all the artists. Actually, this kind of encouragement from leading people like this is the real strength behind our performance. Actually, this kind of encouragement from the leading artists really gives a boost to children and also to a teacher and everybody in institution in particular. Actually, though we give training and other things, by God's grace, I mean, the students also stand up to the standard, and I really thank the Providence for giving them this art and excellency in this art. I particularly thank Mrs. Parvati Ravi Kantasala, Mr. Vineeth, Dinesh Mahadevan, Mrs. Rajeshwari Menon, having accepted our invitation and came here, watched the performance, and presided over this function and encouraged us all. I also thank the audience who have been another sort of encouragement, who applauded each and every item and thus encouraged the children who have played. I particularly thank the parents of the three children, Srimati T.V. Raman and Srimati Sunita Rajan, Sri Bhaskaran and Srimati Chitra Bhaskaran, Sri Unnikrishnan Panika and Sri Meena Uni. Actually, but because their parents have taken so much of interest and made so much of arrangements for this Arangetram, just like they do for a marriage. They did it so grandly. And that shows the interest they have in their daughters, doing this Arangetram with all excellency. And as already pointed out by everybody, the speakers, the accompaniments, Vidya Shankar, Mr. Dharanjayan, Shankar Narayanan, and Mr. Vidya Shankar, all have given their best support, but for them, the performance would not have been so grand. I also thank the makeup artist and the stage and mic arrangements and management of Rani Siti Hall. I thank you one and all once again. Thank you.
I request the audience to be for the last number, Tillana.
The last item, Tillana. To add more spice to this very spicy dance recital, Tillana in Revati Ragam set to Aditala. The Tillana will be followed by the Mangalam, Kshirabdi Kanyakata. Tadim dim tadirana titilana tilana tanadirana dim dim tadim dim tadirana titilana tilana tanadirana dim tadim tadirana titilana tilana tanadirana dim tadim tadi inatum tadi inatum tadi inatum din tadi tadi din tadi rana ritillana dillana danadira engum nirainda pranava swarupini தாயே புவனேஸ்வரி பொங்கும் மங்களம் தந்திடும் தேவி கிருஷ்ணதாசன் பணிந்திடும் ஸ்வரூபிணி தாயே புவனேஸ்வரி பொங்கும் மங்களம் தந்திடும் தேவி கிருஷ்ணதாசன் பணிந்திடும் தாஜம் நீரினி தஜனுதா மரி ரிசா தஜம் தகிட தாஜம் நீரினி தஜனுதா மரி ரிசா தஜம் தகிட மரி மரி சனி சரி சனி வனி சனி வம் ததிங்கின ததிரி பமம ததி கினதும் தஜம் தரி தகஜம் தரி தக தக தரி கிடதா தகுந்தரி குகுந்தரி தகுந்தரி குகுந்தரி தஜம் தரி தகஜம் தரி தக தக தரி கிடதா தகுந்தரி குகுந்தரி தகுந்தரி குகுந்தரி தலாங்குதம் தலாங்குதம் தகரி தலாங்குதம் தகரி தலாங்குதம் தீம் தீம் ததீம் ததீம் தீம் ததிரனா தித்திலான தில்லான தனரிரே தீம் ததீம் ததீம் தீம் ததிரனா தித்திலான தில்லான தனரிரன தீம் தீம் ததீம் ததீம் தீம் ததிரனா தீம் ததிரனா श्रीराति कन्यकतु श्रीमहालक्ष्मी देवी नीरजालयतु न नीराञ्जनं नीराञ्जनं क्षीराति कन्यकतु श्रीमहालक्ष्मी देवी नीरजालयतु न नीराञ्जनं नीराञ्जनं जलजाक्षि मोमुनगु सगवकसंबुनगु निलवु कनकपुरगु नीराञ्जनं नीराञ्जनं अलिवेणि कुरुमुलगु हस्तकमलंबुलगु निलवु माणिक्यमुन नीराञ्जनं नीराञ्जनं పొగటు శ్రీ వెంకటేశ పటపురాధీశగగు శశికణన శోభనగు నీరాజనం నీరాజనం జగతి అలమేలు మంగా జగతి అలమేలు మంగా సకదన ఇరుములగు నిలవు కన్నగపురగు నీరాజనం నీరాజనం శ్రీరాతి కన్యకకు నీరాజనం శ్రీ మహా